So today I'll be showing you how to copy and paste on a Samsung phone. Now this is very simple. You can copy and paste text from one app to another, and all you have to do is simply find that text. So for instance, if it's this text right here in the Samsung Notes application, all you have to do is double tap on the text, and then that's going to bring up this menu, and you can tap on select all, and it's going to select all that. Now you don't have to select everything. If you double tap like that, it's going to select a word, and then you can expand the end and the beginning of that selection. So you can select exactly what you want. So let's say you want to select this part of text. Now once you select, you will see the option to copy. So you can tap on copy. That's going to get copied to the clipboard. So now you can navigate to wherever you want to paste that. So let's go and, for instance, open a new message, and let's go to that particular message just like that. And now let's say you want to paste this whatever you copied here. So in any text box, you can simply long press, and then once you release, you will see the options. So tap on paste, or you can paste as plain text depending on whatever formatting you had when you're copying. So for me, I'll just select paste, and you can see whatever I copied has been pasted there. So it's really that simple. Now with modern Samsung phones, you can even copy text from an image. So for instance, we have this image from our gallery. You can long press on it and then select the text you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy everything. I'll just select like that, and the beginning like that, and then tap on copy, and then I can navigate to wherever I want to paste that text. So let's say I want to paste it here. Just navigate to where exactly you want to paste, long press, and you should see paste in the menu, and you can paste that text there. So that is basically how to copy and paste on a Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. And if you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and good luck.